Welcome back, everybody. It is EtriusRaven here playing more Hogwarts Legacy. Where we last left off, we're being sneaky sneaks and collecting demi-guys. So we're just going to go ahead and pick up where we last left off. Just a reminder, if you can, try giving out a subscription. Oh, thank you. That is exactly what we needed. Oh, that's what Merlin trials do? Ah, shit. We should do more Merlin trials. Capacity. What is this? Hogwarts secrets. All right. Anyway, that's a... Oh man, we definitely need to go around doing more Merlin challenges. But hey, we have extra room now. I don't think there's anything really over there. Oh, I meant to hit map. Wait, why is it currently unavailable? I have to sneak back out? Oh no. Hi, Professor Garlic. So it's just gonna stay there for all of time? Cool. You're gonna be a real asshole, aren't you? What's in that corner?
Hello, Mr. Moon. I have the moons you asked me to collect.
Oh goodness, you're as fearless as I'd hoped. An excellent start. If we can collect more, it may shed some light on who's behind all this.
I know where one is.
First suspected Peeves. He drove the previous caretaker, Rancorous Carp, to an early retirement with his intolerable buffoonery. But that does not explain the boggart in Hogsmeade, does it? No.
This is probably a student.
With your help to discover the identity of my tormentor.
It's definitely intriguing.
I now have access to most of the castle,
You,
so
my friend, are a gentle person and a scholar.
both of those things are actually true.
In exchange for your assistance. Now, remember, the moons are only retrievable at night. Thus, I encourage you to use a disillusionment when necessary.
Right.
You mentioned offering something in exchange for my assistance.
I did. Once you've brought me enough moons, I'll show you even more powerful forms of...
Okay, yeah, this is what I'm doing for the rest of the episode.
...is as easy to pick as the faculty towers.
How many statues are there to find?
I don't know precisely, but I've spotted dozens. Seems they're everywhere I look. You have your work cut out for you, if you were to ever unravel their meaning.
Understood. I shall keep an eye out.
I appreciate that. Oh, and I knew you were the one to ask for help. Keep at it so we can solve.
All right. No. do you mean abandon? Why would I? That's not the button I'm pressing either. Prepare for your search for the final keeper. This is very confusing. I'm not sure what all that means, but alright. Okay, I got a new one of those. We should go to the room of requirement. Should also try to sell some stuff soon. Yeah, let's head up to the room of requirements first. Because we've got a lot of exploring to do. We've got a lot of Wiggenweld potions to make as well. Oh, there's only 9. Or it's saying out of that amount, there's 9. Okay. I'll be back to that later. But I know where 1 is. It's in the professor's room. Can't remember exactly where that's at. I wish there, I don't know if there is, there might be, but I hope there's a way to pass the time.
You can't imagine.
Right? It's up this way, I think. Uh-oh, I think I'm wrong. Yeah, I'm very wrong.
Revelio.
What? Dean? Appears there's something behind this wall. Anyway, that's not what I'm looking for. Well, it's still nighttime.
Aloha Mora.
I wish I would just unlock it instead of making me do this, but not that big of a deal. There we go.
Revelio.
Dear Professor Shaw, thank you for your recent submission regarding celestial anomalies. Maybe a perfect addition to an atlas I'm hoping to publish. I shall be in touch if I decide to include your submission or any of its related research in the publication. Best wishes.
Aloha Mora.
Got it. I don't think I'm actually... I think it's okay for me to be in here.
Revelio.
Anything in here? How did I miss this all these times? I hear that ding real hard. Wait.
Revelio.
It's not coming up as red, so I'm assuming it's fine.
Aloha Mora.
Oh, I missed it the first go around. Excellent. Possible classroom games, levitation lesson, disarm and dodge, target on a tangent. I like this guy.
Revelio.
Oh, I'm on a roof. Yeah, I kind of figured that was the case. I can't seem to find any demiguises though.
Revelio.
I hear that ding real hard. It's gotta be in here, right? Practically crystal clear in here. Oh, it's something in here. Damn it. I should have been able to figure that one out on my own. Was me. Still not sure how to open that guy up. There we are. Yeah, this is where I wanted to get to.
Revelio. Mine now, then, guys.
That should go to 1 out of 9 now. Apparently it doesn't feel like it. Okay, it's hard to pick out all the locations, especially given. So if I remember correctly, I should have only one of these guys left. Yeah. Where do we start? How do we do this? Sure, let's travel over there. Why not?
Revelio.
Nothing down here. I don't want to wait. I want to take care of nighttime while I can. Oh my gosh, you can cast Revelio from your broom. I don't like how hard it is to look down though.
Revelio.
I have no idea of how to try to check everything. I remember the daedalian was near the centaur room. No idea where that was though.
Revelio.
What was that? Oh,
Accio.
nice.
Revelio.
Apparently I'm giving it too wide of a berth. No, except that came out. Oh, and I missed this earlier. It's another wig and weld. I'll make plenty of those when...
Revelio.
Any demi guys? No? Alright. Will you just walk around? Please? Okay. Swore I saw something over here. Is this what I saw, really?
Revelio.
Not seeing anything. But I don't remember anything being locked in here. Yeah, no, I think we're good down here. I don't know what's up with the spoopy music. There's a downwards? Have I ever been downwards? I don't remember ever heading downwards.
Revelio.
I've clearly been here before. Ah, this is near Slytherin corridors. Okay.
Revelio.
Yep, there's that. Not sure how to get in there. Oh, unless that's the one in the Slytherin common room. In which case I'll never be able to get to it anyway. What about...
Revelio.
Well, it's daytime now, which isn't great for me. And I'm just running around randomly hoping I find shit, so that's not great either. I have no clue where I am at this point. Ooh. Hey, something I can unlock. I think I'm relatively near the centaur room too. Nice.
Revelio.
Says there's a... Aha.
What do we have here? A demigod.
Is there a way to wait? Let time pass? Uh-huh. Yep, mounts. Interact, basic cast heal. Activate ancient magic, cast spells. Spell set. I've just been scrolling. Ancient magic, break free, map. Wait. Do I do it actually on the map? Hey, cool.
Don't let me, guys.
Wonderful. So that's 2, even though it says I have 0 out of 9.
Revelio. Repulsor.
Oh, where is that? I'm not sure how to get to that. Oh, is it that it's a floor lower? No. Oh. Don't know how I didn't find that before. Where's this music coming from? Is it from... Got it. I would hate to be a statue like that. Hey.
Revelio.
Yes, I told you. You're very clever. How offensive.
Okay.
What if he sticks like
Revelio.
this? What? Don't be silly. It'll wear off in a few hours, I think.
I mean, there could be one in the room. No, because I already checked it. Yeah, no. I'm good. I already checked it up there.
Revelio.
Found stuff right over there. But I'm not sure how to get to it.
Revelio.
I have no idea where this is. Wait, did I just hear? No, okay. I don't recognize this place at all, though. Is this the Great Hall? Aha! I think I know where I am. Yeah, no, please take your time. I'm not where I thought I was. Oh, yeah, yeah. I'm exactly where I thought I was.
Revelio.
This is not where I want to be. Oh, what's that? Ah.
Aloha Mora.
Is this already rotating? No. I'm imagining things.
Levioso.
It doesn't even give me experience anymore, man. Any more green shit I can get rid of? Wish to destroy it. Thank you. Of course, it's more green shit. Don't mind me, just running around like a fool.
Revelio.
Okay, yes, this is one of the places I would like to be. Ooh, even better. Nice.
Revelio.
I'm an idiot. I really gotta hurry up and sell some of my stuff though. It's more green stuff. Never mind, as long as it keeps giving me green stuff. Okay, spider plus 12. Spider is 8. So I need 2, so I need on the triangle the beast. That's 7 plus 1, so another unicorn. Where's the other?
Revelio.
Ah. Thank you. Gorgon portrait. An oil painting of a beautiful Gorgon and her suitor, whose eyes are wisely averted as he bends to kiss her hand. It is said that the artist who painted this accidentally gazed at his subject when he delivered the painting and is now forever a sculpture in a garden in Greece. Oh, that's kind of funny.
Finite.
Why do I keep hitting that? I don't know what game it is that you press tab, but apparently
Revelio.
unidentified hand item, huh? Okay, this still doesn't super help me out. Oh, daedalian key. Oh, hello.
Lumos.
Mr. Butterfly.
Revelio.
Oh, there you are.
Lumos.
Thanks, I still don't actually need this. I wish the game would keep giving you experience. Level 2.
Revelio.
Anything interesting back there? Damn it! One of them are back there. I can't get to it yet. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, I unlocked that. Where am I? Potions class.
Aloha Mora. Revelio.
There's nothing in here. I think I'm actually gonna go back down the way I came. Or not. I don't know where I am. I mean, I know exactly where I am, but... Oh my gosh, and I'm over on time? I've done nothing this episode. Okay, we're gonna run through here. There's a demi-guise behind that door.
Revelio.
Because there's... Shit. Please tell me you're a 1. Nice.
Aloha Mora. Revelio. Incendio.
Ooh, there's a bunch of stuff back here. Two plus 2 is 4, so I need 6, which is 9, 8, 7, 6. What are you? The lizard. Wait. Yeah. I need, let's see, it's 4, so I need 3.
Revelio.
Damn it. Don't press tab this time. Don't do it, Raven. Don't care if it's stronger. Oh my gosh, and that's even stronger. I look stupid. Alright, I gotta be wrapping up this episode soon.
Lumos. Revelio.
I still have no idea where that's at. I have no idea how to get to him either.
Aloha Mora.
There we go.
Revelio.
Oh, hello.
Lumos.
I really think it's a waste to not gain any experience at this point, because now there's no reason to do these. I'm just being a completionist. But if these still gave experience, like even if it's just a small amount of experience, it's kind of nice to have a reason to do these at this point in the game.
Revelio.
Ooh,
Aloha Mora.
there's a lot of locks back here. Just kind of hoping this would be the last little bit, but apparently the last little bit is going to take longer than I thought. Congratulations on getting yourselves extra long video.
Revelio.
Why are you afraid of me? Nice. Professor Binns, I must say I was baffled by your recent observation that students, in your opinion, seem to be rather lethargic. I can confidently say that I have not seen evidence of lethargy in my own class. I even took it upon myself to speak with some of the students in the hope of getting to the bottom of this anomaly. Upon this, I soon learned that you have been lecturing them on the little-known facts of historical conflicts. Perhaps you might think of moving more swiftly through the finer details. One of them was almost in tears describing a test question pertaining to Grimbald Weft and the number of buttons found on a wizard's garment in the rebellion of 1752. Apparently one additional button above the norm had been affixed. It's entirely up to you, but students likely struggle to appreciate such nuances. Only my opinion, of course, and I do hope you don't mind my mentioning. Sincerely, Abraham Ronan.
Revelio.
That's so funny. Sphinx statue. The Sphinx, a beast with a human head on a lion's body, has been used by witches and wizards for centuries to guard valuables and secret hideaways due to its intelligence and affinity for puzzles, and riddles. Oh, hello.
Revelio.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of books here for no reason.
Levioso. Revelio.
So there's even more stuff here, but it's not in here that it's at. Nice.
Hello, Hamora.
Okay, after this, we're gonna go ahead and go up to the tower, and then we'll call it there. Because I've got some video editing to do. Hello.
Levioso. Revelio.
All right. We have two. I don't know why it's saying we don't have any, because we've got two. Ugh. That's it? I only had one thing? Huh. Please tell me it's better at least than all the other stuff I have. It is. Wonderful. I will fancy my guy up a little bit here in a moment. All right, but that is going to be it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. And as always, love you, proud of you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.